Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And it looks like, at least for a little bit, we'll be starting a new hobby. It looks like it'll be diamond painting. So, my husband had screwed up. He thought he was buying a village, like some pieces, because for Christmas he got it the village. He thought he was buying actual Christmas village, and he ended up buying diamond painting kits. So yeah, we got actually 4 of them, and I started one of them. Yeah, he probably saw the finished pictures and thought he was buying a kit. So actually these particular diamond paintings are acrylic, and there's a stand that you can sit and display. So my very first diamond painting. So this one's not quite done yet. I still got quite a bit to go yet. I think I still have all this up here to do. And it just occurred to me that only the numbers are sticky. I thought maybe the whole thing was sticky, but nope, just the numbers. So anyway, one of these is this house. Like I said, I already took it out of the box because they're already got all the little pieces in Ziploc bags. So yeah, so it was kind of interesting putting the little gems, the little, or diamonds or whatever, on the pieces, but I don't know, just sometimes I had issues getting it to stick to, I guess you put some wax. Let's see, do I have an example? Yep, there we are. I already got most of it. There's these wax pieces. You put wax on the tip. Oh, I think I threw all 4 of them in here. Just throw some wax on the tip. You pick up the diamond and you put it on your canvas. And just match the number of the diamond to the number on the canvas. Wasn't too hard. Anyway, what he got, I guess, I haven't actually really looked at all of them yet. I just opened, well, this might be the biggest of the ones, but I'm not sure. It's the house. Let's see what else I got here. See what this one is. Oh, it's cute. This one's gonna be a singing Santa. That's that one. Now let's see if I can get them back in the box after the video. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this one's pretty. This looks like a fountain. Ooh, I like that. This one can almost, except it's got the Christmas wreaths in that. Yeah, I like that one. That one's pretty. I might do this one next. See what I got this last one in here. Oh, that's cute too. Little snowman. How cute are those? So these don't look like they're that complicated. They're not that bad. These look like these are good starter projects. And these can actually, like I said, there's this, see if I can find the stand. They come with a stand. Put it in the stand. Oh, okay, you get it in the stand in it. Display. So I think my husband was disappointed to realize, oh, this is a crafting item. It wasn't what he expected, but I don't know. He just might have dangerously turned me on to a new craft, because there was something satisfying about doing it. And this happens to come apart. That just happened. Blech, I can't speak. It's late. I just so happened that I was gifted a diamond kit in some Happy Mail about a year ago. They've pretty much been sitting around because this is a craft I didn't do. But now that this has happened, I might now actually now work on this now that I kind of semi know what I'm doing. Now this one looks like this will take a bit to do, but I'll bet you once I get it done, it'll be pretty. And if I'm going to frame it, you know, so now I'll have the confidence to work on this one. So who is to say that once all the Christmas ones are done and this prop one is done, if I'm going to continue with diamond painting? I don't know. My love is still with the yarn. I still love the knit. I rather knit and crochet. This is just another. I guess we can. We're craft versatile. I don't know. I think I heard term craft versatile. I guess it all falls under the crafting and development and the crafting envelope. Where even though we predominantly knit and crochet, well, we can every so often try another craft. Multi-craftal. I don't know. I'm likely after all these are done, I might not. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. I might. Oh, ASMR. It's back in the bag. Anyway, I did, you know, because it's a new craft, I did have to watch a video to make sure I semi-understood how it went. So, let me know in the comments if you also are multi-craftal and if you do diamond painting. It just, like I said, it presented itself to me, and I'm done with this video. I'm sorry. If you did like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you always for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.